Do you have lots of files that need to be in folders of their own, but better still do it for free? Here is a 2-minute tutorial using a bit of free software. Yep, that's right, free software, available for Windows and Mac. It's called BandyZip, and I will put a link to it down below. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you how to add files into folders with the same name. I'm using these ebooks as an example. I'm also using a free bit of software called BandyZip, and I'll make that available as a link down below. Very simple to use. Once you've installed BandyZip, you first rubber band your files. As I said, I'm using these little ebooks as an example. And you notice I didn't go all the way around to rubber band. And then just right click on, create an archive, and then go to compress each to folder name. If that doesn't show up, it's just in the more options look. And you choose how you want to compress your files. You can even add a password should you want, and split each file into lots of different folders, or lots of different sizes rather, but that's a waste of time with these books, so we won't bother with that. You can also delete after archiving. So I'm going to select compress to each folder name, click on start, and as you can see, it's created zip files of each one. Now here comes the magic bit. We rubber band the zip files and right click on those and click on extract to separate folders. Close. And there, it's all done for you. You can actually delete the zip files then if you want to get rid of them. And as you can see, each one has a folder of its own, the file in its own folder with the same name. So hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate your time. All the best.